Hi, in this lesson, we're going to be looking at time management. Time management is basically how you manage time, and effective time management is crucial for success in both your personal and professional life. Now, in managing time, I'm just going to share with you some tips that can really or that will really help you. Number one, you need to set priorities. As you begin to grow with so many courses, so many distractions, and so many things happening, it's important to identify the most important tasks that needs to be completed and focus on those first. You have to prioritize. For me, what I do is I get a sheet of paper or I get a note. If you look at this is like my to-do list for a particular day. So you write everything out and then you prioritize. It brings me to my second point: create a to-do list, write down your tasks and goals. And then when you write down your tasks and goals, I always now begin to arrange it. Which one is more important? You start one, this is two, this is three. You rearrange them. Now, you don't necessarily have to use a paper like mine. You can use a notebook on your phone, or you can get a digital tool for that. There are many to-do lists, or you can buy a notebook, whichever works for you. You can use a combination of those things. Now, when you begin to plan your time, it's important that you eliminate distractions. Make sure you're focused so that you remember everything that you need to do, and who you need to do it for and when it is due. So once you've done that, you set priorities. You've done the list, you identify, and then you set priorities. Now, when you look at the priorities, the top prioritized ones, you begin to look at them. Which of these ones can someone help me do? Maybe I can pay for them or I can get someone to help me do them. So you get to know who you have to reach out to that can help you do them, or the ones that are not in your power. And then the ones that are in your power, you get to do them. Now, in all this arranging and scheduling and all, I realized that most times if you don't have reminders, it can work against you. So I always encourage that you use your calendar. I use Google Calendar, and I'm going to do a brief tutorial, practical tutorial to show you how I use it. Use the calendar to insert important events or dates or reminders for you. The Google Calendar can remind you using notifications and emails to tell you you have this, and it can help you not to miss out on stuff. Then in all your creating, you can be tempted to schedule up almost all the whole place, everything. I have something 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. No, please remember to take breaks. Remember to take breaks. And then also ensure you delegate. If you know there's anything someone else can do for you that you don't necessarily have to do for yourself, please allow the person handle it. Say for example, I as I'm recording this video, I don't I'm quite busy, and I needed to get to the market. I had to get someone to do it for me, and I'm just going to be paying her some money to get to do that for me. So you can actually get people to do it for you. So we're going to be looking at the tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to plan ahead, how to schedule, and how to stay organized using Google Calendar. And if you implement these tips, it can help you make most of your time and increase your productivity and effectiveness. Thank you for listening.